Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make Mexican street corn. These are very easy to make and so delicious. Let's get started. We're going to start by cooking some fresh corn. I have a big pot of water boiling over medium heat. I'm going to drop 4 pieces of corn into the boiling water, and then we're going to cook the corn for about 7 minutes. After the corn has cooked, take them out of the boiling water, then set them onto a plate lined with a paper towel. That way, all the water can drain off the corn. Next, allow the corn to sit for about 5 minutes to cool down a little. In the meantime, in a small bowl, combine a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, and then cut and squeeze in the juice from 1 whole lime. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Set the mixture aside for later. Then in a separate bowl, mix together 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and then we're also going to add 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and salt and black pepper to taste. Stir all the spices together very well, and then we're going to put everything on the corn. So get the cream mixture we made, then put a generous amount onto each corn. Next, brush the cream onto the corn. Make sure you get the cream on all sides of the corn. Once the corn has been very well creamed, we're going to add some cheese. I am using about 1/2 cup of grated cotija cheese. You can also use feta. Go ahead and sprinkle the cheese all around each corn. Next, grab the spice mixture we made, then sprinkle that all over each corn. Finish with some freshly chopped cilantro or parsley. Then this delicious Mexican street corn is ready to be enjoyed. These came out so good. I served them with some sweet and spicy chicken and sauteed rice. I'll be posting this chicken recipe in my next video. Everything paired so well together. If you guys would like to make this Mexican street corn recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.